What is a stretch ceiling? A stretch ceiling is a suspended ceiling system consisting of two basic components, a perimeter track and lightweight fabric membrane which stretches and clips into the track. In addition to ceilings, the system can be used for wall coverings, light diffusers, floating panels, exhibitions, and creative shapes. Stretch ceilings allow the incorporation of all types of light fixtures, grills, and fixing points by the use of a proprietary background support. Nearly all types of apertures can be incorporated. The fabric material is a 0.2 mm thick PVC-based stretch membrane which comes in a vast array of colors and finishes which include matte, satin, high gloss, lacquer, perforated and translucent. The material can be printed or painted for additional effects and is entirely waterproof, washable and impermeable to vapor. The material is also maintenance-free, hygienic and non-toxic. The lightweight sheets are purpose-made from rolled materials to form any shape and size, typically up to 50 square meters in one piece. Each panel incorporates an ultrasonically welded harpoon edge which clips into the track. Typically, the semi-concealed PVC track is preferred choice for most architects and designers, enabling curves, domes, vaults, and many other shapes to be formed with these. Aluminium track options are also available where needed to meet specifications.
To bring the most premium ceiling ideas from the interior world into your homes, institutions, offices, and commercial spaces across India. Stretch ceilings, which were first invented in the year 1967 in Europe, has gained its popularity across world. We at iSeal Systems are delighted to introduce stretch ceilings as an affordable, premium ceiling solution in India. iSeal, the leading stretch ceiling manufacturer in producing the finest of stretch ceilings in India, would like to give you an insight into the interesting world of creative ceilings. We produce our stretch ceilings with stringent quality checks, and every ceiling goes through an inspection to ensure highest standards of quality. We are building a network of partners across various cities in India and teaching them how to properly install our ceilings. On an average, we produce 15,000 to 20,000 square feet of stretch ceilings every month and still just can't get enough. We have an in-house creative design and architect team to help give vision to your dreams and ideas. Although our most popular ceilings are integrated with lighting solutions, we can produce any kind of ceilings that our clients desire. Ceilings with pictures and patterns, mirror ceilings, optical fiber ceiling, ceilings of any shape and size. Be it a commercial outlet, retail space, institution, office or even your home, we can brighten it up with an exciting range of design and lighting solutions. Our ceilings are already installed in major commercial outlets, government organizations and premium showrooms across India. And we are working closely with major interior and architect firms across India to provide the best customizable ceiling and lighting solutions to your spaces. Only 2 to 3 companies in India produce stretch ceilings from certified materials with warranties like we do. And we are capable of producing ceilings much faster than most companies do. We also offer creative products including 3D epoxy flooring and customizable wall graphics to cover your wall and floor based on your imagination. We believe in building the best without limit or compromise and have undertaken many difficult and complex projects that serve as a testimony of our work. We have a proven track record of executing projects on time and delivering with utmost client satisfaction.